know what's wrong with him. Call 911. Tell him the dog is white. Tell him the dog is white. My f***ing dog is a pancake. Come on. So young, never had a chance to lick his butt. I'm going with you. Oh, God. Aha! I caught your ass! No, you didn't. Oh, my God. Are you kidding me? No, not my clothes. No, no, no. Oh, that's crazy. What in she's burning my clothes. You! This ends now! Get in! I stink, bitch! You want some refreshers? I'm sending you back to Taiwan. Take this! Now you gonna make me violent. Miss me? You gonna burn today, baby.
Good thing we switched to plastic.
We'll have to get that pot rack looked at. Tea's ready.
I'm gonna make a run to Starbucks.
Can you pick me up a latte?